get ready for an awesome star-studded Hollywood premiere right here on the green carpet for The Green Hornet. It's not actually the red carpet for the CMAs, it's the black carpet, and I think I've got the best location of the night. Hi, I'm Brett Chuckerman. Welcome to Fashion and Television. And of course, super stud Steve Carell. How you doing?
Well, that's exactly the sort of intro I was hoping for.
Well, I figured. I mean, that's what it says on your business card, right?
Right. That's right. And on the back, I have special skills, and one of them is that I own a tux.
Yep. Let's see. We've had Ricky Gervais at the Golden Globes. Now we have Alec Baldwin here. When are we going to have Steve Carell?
That won't ever happen.
You're going to host one day. I'm going to say it right now. It's going to happen. How do you get the courage to write something like that when it's such a touchy subject?
Oh, God, that's a good question. I just tell a really cool story, get caught up in the characters, and then I either pull it off or I don't.
Welcome back to Fashion and Television. The doctor is in, Dr. Hank Lawson. Tell us a little bit about the show and about Dr. Hank.
Dr. Hank Lawson is a good guy.
Sure everybody knows you're not a idiot. Well, you think maybe I could take you shopping with me, see if we can get some must-have looks to take with us to the Hamptons?
Oh, will you buy me something?
Well, maybe, we'll see.
Okay, done.
I know, fashion.
Hey, here's the man in charge of everything versus me. Let's see how this goes. You ready? All right. This is Rob Storment, president of Super Auctions, the world's largest amusement auction company, and the man responsible for getting all the games in this 65,000 square foot mega entertainment family complex out of this place and sold. He's going to be here all night if that's what it takes, right? No pressure there, huh? A lot to do. As you can see, there's a lot to get through this afternoon. And there is sure to be some incredible bidding on these one-of-a-kind items and the last chance you have to take home a piece of BSG memorabilia. Time to check out the local flavors. We seem to be here in Beer Central.
It's a sitting down beer because
what,
you won't be standing up very long.
That's what I wanted to hear, absolutely. I think we're going to try that one later. Well, that's it. That's it. I lost.
How are you guys?
Oh, we're great. So tell us really quickly about your new single.
Crazy Women. Out right now, so super excited. It's about love and what women will do sometimes when it drives them absolutely nuts.
Right, absolutely nuts.
Yes.
Well, there you go. Peter Gallagher apparently inviting us all to Sony for a big
23. I think it's 23. If not, you'll find something interesting there too.
We'll just start shouting your name until you pop out from behind the door.
The doors it'll open.
Your first film in 7 years. You must be so excited. Why was it this script? What made it happen?
Because I wanted to sing.
I know we're freezing, but can the fans see what you're wearing real quick? You want to give us a peek, or are you too cold?
No, it's fine. That's what I'm wearing.
Very. Isn't she gorgeous? Thank you so much. Congratulations. Stay warm.
I felt a little dirty of doing that.
Mr. Gyllenhaal, how you doing? You're terrified at all. So actually, we're at Oscar.com. We have some people submitting Facebook questions. I watched the movie before. I was just watching Jurassic Park. Okay. A moment of fabulous doing. How do I feel for? Congratulations on your nomination. You look beautiful as always. So much for joining us. Best of luck. Have a fantastic night. It's a pleasure to meet you.